Happiness is when your life fulfills your needs. In other words, happiness comes when you feel satisfied and fulfilled. Happiness is a feeling of contentment, that life is just as it should be.
Okay, ito lang tayo sa medyo.
Ito lang yan? Okay lang.
Takbo.
Oo, hawakan mo ako na mabuti.
Kapit kapatid!
Kapit-kapit.
Hop, hop. Dito lang sa atin ba? Sorry, pinakadya ko.
Wag ganoon!
It has also been said to relate to life satisfaction, appreciation of life, moments of pleasure, but overall, it has to do with a positive experience of emotions.
Sup, Chloe?
Ay, Wasay.
Pagod?
Slight.
Yeah. Tarik?
Sobra.
Yeah.
Saan tuminom ng tubig?
Si Pingas, andyan sa tabi mo.
Saan?
Sa right.
Right side mo.
Hey, Pingas!
3
Pagod din,
o'clock.
pagod din.
Mga 1 meter away.
Pero ang ganda ng view. Yung clouds. Maanda yung clouds.
Wala, nakakatakot.
Hindi naman. Maganda siya. Kulay gold. Si sunrise sa tatas. Sino girlfriend mo?
Ewan ko. Secret.
Dami alam eh.
Ilan taon na girlfriend mo?
13.
30?
13.
30 years old na yung girlfriend mo?
Ay, hindi siya blindsided.
Pagod?
Hindi, konti lang po.
Pandi lang. Ba't ka nangangagat ng bata ka?
Hindi po.
Basta,
Walang katotohanan ng lahat ng mga parata.
Nangangagat ka daw ng bata ka.
Bro, anong status doon sa crush ko? Nasaan na?
Crush mo? Pangalan niya ulit?
Crush ka ba nun?
Hindi eh.
Abi ba, Abi?
Mali.
Gusto mo pangalanan na natin?
Wag!
These kids decided a long time ago that however society expected the blind person to exist, they were going to be different. When they put themselves out there to hike, people told them they had to accept their limitations. They said blind people simply don't do things like that, and that the only thing they would accomplish would be to injure themselves.
I love you for 1,000 ng buhay at sigla sa mga anak ng Diyos na nanghihina. Halika na! Oh my! Panira ka naman eh!
May mga patag siya.
Okay. Well, we just came up from the bamboo forest and we're gonna go to Tangwa Peak. First, go to behind the trees. Go to Ngusong Kabayo. We want to make that epic drone shot, so we're gonna assemble here where I am right now. Chloe, ba't nung bata ka nangangagat ka?
Careful, careful.
Kasha ba ako?
Congrats!
Thanks, Kuya.
Good job, Chloe.
Thank you, Kuya Sai mo.
Good job, Babs.
I know.
Tipen!
Go.
Sa amin na tayo,
Good
Tipen!
job, Tipen.
Thumbs up!
Ultimately, this decision changed their lives. They hiked to challenge society's misconceptions about the blind and to push the barriers of what is humanly possible for a blind person to achieve. They hike to inspire, to provide hope. Blindness is not an ending illness, disease, condition that most people think it is. They hike to confront and overcome fear, and most of all, they hike to take back what blindness attempted to take away from them: happiness. What's your definition of happiness?